The 7 best keto diet YouTube tutorials for beginners. Here's what to watch to build your best grocery list, avoid common pitfalls, and soak up information it took experts years to learn. For people following a ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, the high-fat, very low-carb plan comes with a certain number of challenges. For example, what do you eat on the keto diet? What shouldn't you eat? Why are you doing this in the first place? For that, YouTube is coming to your rescue. YouTube tutorials can give you a sense of support as you embark on a new way of eating, like keto. I love how there is a community for people, but you have to be mindful about how valid the information is, says Olivia Wagner, an integrative registered dietitian nutritionist at Whole Health Chicago in Illinois. Also remember that nutrition, even when it comes to strict diets like keto, is an individual thing. What works for one person may not be best for you, says Wagner. Related, 8 steps beginners should take before trying the keto diet. Videos from doctors or dietitians, or those medically reviewed by doctors, are your best bet, says Lauren Weiss, PhD, a keto nutritionist in La Jolla, California. In absence of that, when you watch, pick and choose the tips that will help you in added ways, like sticking to a certain budget. Not everyone will know everything. If you can get one little takeaway that will help you, I think that's a positive, she says. We've rounded up 7 YouTube videos that are essential for beginning your keto journey. Watch and enjoy. 1. A keto diet for beginners from Diet Doctor. It has over 3 million views to date, which is not surprising given that the 8-minute video is a great intro into what the keto diet is. They call it a supercharged, low-carb diet to differentiate it from the rest of the low-carb bunch. The folks behind Diet Doctor take you through how the body switches from sugar burning to fat burning and begins to produce ketones. You'll also learn about the history of keto, what foods to avoid, and what foods to eat. Watch the tutorial from Diet Doctor. 2. What we've learned from 4 years on a keto diet. From Keto Connect, Mega Barrett and Matt Gaedker have had their YouTube channel nearly 4 years, and it offers a treasure trove of tips and techniques for following keto in its many forms. This video is a great overview of the 10 most important things they've learned thus far. If you're an athlete, you'll want the assurance that it's normal to see your performance at the gym drop off in the beginning, then see it pick back up after you've become fat adapted, plus find out what becoming fat adapted even means. The pair also demonstrates that it's important to evolve how you do keto and to learn how to make the diet work for you. Watching their videos is like sitting down to dish with friends on the diet. Watch the tutorial from Keto Connect. Related, what are the best and worst fats to eat on the ketogenic diet? 3. How to start the ketogenic diet. From Dr. Nick Zyrowski. A 16-minute tutorial clears up any misconceptions you may have about the keto diet. Nick Zyrowski, a doctor of chiropractic based in Detroit, takes you through the potential benefits of a keto diet and the foods you must avoid. He breaks down your macro needs, as well as exactly how to get into ketosis. He addresses common misunderstandings that sometimes make following keto confusing. Most importantly, he covers what to eat when kicking off your journey. Watch the tutorial by Dr. Nick Zyrowski. 4. How to do a keto diet, the complete guide. From Thomas DeLaura. This fitness trainer isn't kidding when he says complete guide. He gets into the nitty-gritty in the 45-minute video about everything keto. Just a few of the many topics covered: what keto is and isn't, how to prepare for keto, what to do in the first week, and incorporating exercise. Thomas DeLaura also covers what to expect from the keto flu and practical matters like how to measure ketones. Finally, you'll get a full rundown on the best and worst veggies, alcohol, fruit, nuts, and more. Watch the tutorial by Thomas DeLaura. Related, what are the best low-carb fruits to eat on a keto diet? 5. Ultimate Keto Budget Plan. From Keto Connect. With extras like MCT oil or fancy packaged, fat bomb snacks, it may seem like you need a large budget to eat keto. Not at all. Here, the folks at Keto Connect challenge themselves to eat keto for $5 or less per day. This is all about finding foods that are filling and delicious, and beat boredom. They shop at Walmart, and the deals are amazing. They have follow-up videos on $10 a day, which are worth watching, too. Watch the tutorial from Keto Connect. 6. An interview with Dominic D'Agostino from The Tim Ferriss Show. Dominic D'Agostino, PhD, an assistant professor at the University of South Florida College of Medicine, has been at the forefront of keto science for a decade. This podcast episode is 3 hours long, so tuck in for a deep dive into the science behind keto. You'll walk away with a top-notch understanding of the theories behind why you're doing what you're doing. Watch the interview from The Tim Ferriss Show. Related, a detailed guide to the potential health benefits and risks of the keto diet. 7. What to eat on the ketogenic diet. From Minimalist Keto. Minimalist Keto is the brainchild of an Austrian couple. He outlines everything, and we mean everything, they eat on keto, from vegetables and fats to coffee, tea, and sweeteners. If you're not in Austria, you won't recognize the brands, but that's okay. Sauerkraut is sauerkraut. His brief explanation as to why they eat each item is helpful without running too long. You'll walk away with a clear idea of the healthy, keto-friendly items that you need to stock your pantry with today.